Introducing the AMG Powerwall. All Things Media created this impactful multimedia experience presented on a massive 220-inch 4K video display. Unlike anything seen before in a retail environment, the Powerwall was created using raw CAD data and gaming technology. It showcases these amazing automobiles in vibrant detail and color, then lets you literally explode them, exposing the wonders within detail by detail. The technologically advanced components of these special vehicles come to life in engaging narratives accompanied by the deep bass notes of potent AMG engines. Probing within, the Powerwall graphically demonstrates the industry-leading technology that makes every Mercedes AMG a masterwork of automotive engineering. An industry first, the Mercedes AMG Powerwall. It's not just a new way to present the world's most exciting product line, it's a vivid and memorable sensory experience. The AMG distinction. Never before has the world seen a range of high-performance machinery as dynamic and potent as this. Now, the immense power and technical superiority of these amazing automobiles can be brought to life at Mercedes-Benz dealers across the U.S.